How is the influence of globalization on the development of social media in Indonesia?
Globalization is already starting to get in Indonesia since the 20th century.
With this increasingly developing technology, various new social media have emerged in Indonesia, which function to share information between one person and another quickly and effectively. In this digital era, social media is no stranger to Indonesians, especially students. With the emergence of various social media in Indonesia, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, and what is becoming a trend for young people today is TikTok, making young people more dependent on inanimate objects called smartphone and more comfortable living in the virtual world compared to the real world.
So the emergence of various new social media which are owned by almost all youth in Indonesia and cause them to become addicted.
How does social media addiction impact both physically and psychologically? The use of social media overload the course will give a negative impact on children, both in the aspect of physically and also psychological. According to health experts, psychologically, the impact of addiction on social media can lead to depression, loneliness, anxiety, aggression, lack of empathy, and social phobia. Furthermore, the physical impact will lead to eating habits and irregularity, the quality of sleep, which is not good, and growth disorder. For their own social, a child who has an addiction on social media will be more passive and it is very difficult to socialize healthy with her friends.
What is the time limit for using social media? Remember, that doesn't mean we are banned from using social media at all. Experts have yet to determine how long exactly a person can play social media in a day, because everyone has different psychology condition to the content of social media. However, we are not advised to speed up to hours a day using social media. A psychotherapist from the California School of Professional Psychology, Philip Cashman, recommends that we limit our use of social media half an hour to an hour a day.
Then, what is the best solution to reduce social media addiction? Well, to reduce the addiction on social media, we have got the solution. The solution is fasting from social media. Please follow the steps. The first step, limit the use of social media. To limit the use of social media, you can use the alarm as a reminder. The second step, turn off notification from social media, because usually when we are doing activities and then there are notification of mobile phone, certainly we directly check, and without knowing it, we spend the time to look at social media. The third step, replace the usual time used to open social media by doing activities that are beneficial. You can do the beneficial activity like reading a book, following the activities of the organization or community, body care and sport, listen to music or other fun activity that exist in real life. And for the last step, for you guys who want to stop a permanent from social media, delete all social media from a mobile phone. May not direct all the social media you can delete, but you can do one by one to remove social media. After performing the steps from the last field, the benefits.